Allow your eyes to comfortably close. Come down into the weight and volume of your body and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Allow your breath to begin to slow down and lengthen. And breathe out down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it's been holding. As you let that happen, notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Notice the surface is steady. Sit back onto its support. As you do so, notice the steadiness of the ground meeting your body's weight. Breathe with the steadiness. Let it steady you. Let yourself know that it's completely okay to be exactly as you are right now. Become aware of the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. The expansion of the in-breath the release of the out. Notice how the out-breath is the body's natural relax. If it's felt like you've been carrying a heavy load, allow that load to fall off your shoulders onto the ground. And say, I let go of everything I no longer need to hold. Let it flow out of you and away. Lighten your load. In your own time, give yourself an appreciation for whatever you wish, no matter how small. Enjoy the appreciation. Really allow yourself to take in its benefit. As you do so, allow your attitude towards yourself to become kinder, warmer. Let loving kindness in around you. All the way round you. Breathe the loving kindness in and out on the ebb and flow of your breath. Let it nourish you. In your own time and when you are ready, gently return your attention to the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. And the movements your body makes as you breathe. Notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Notice the steadiness still there. And breathe the steadiness of ground up into you. Let it steady you. Notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Notice you're here in this moment. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close.